never change your life until you change something you do daily. The secret of your success is in your daily routine. I'm here with the first point on how to make your time more productive, and that's to create a daily work routine. Always try to wake up with a beautiful smile, knowing that you are going to be a step closer to your dreams. I know that getting up early is a little bit difficult task for most of us, but gradually our body will get adjusted to the new morning routine. So try to make each day the best day in your life.
The next point is choose where you work carefully. This might seem like a no brainer, but carefully choosing where you work can make a big difference to how much you get done in a day. Distractions like loud music or overcrowding can get in your way of your ability to focus.
The next point is working in small blocks. Working in small blocks can be a great way of increasing your productivity level. Researchers has shown that we are more productive the less time we assign ourselves. This is why some companies have introduced the 6-hour working time. Set yourself time goals and it will give you a healthy dose of self-assigned pressure.
Listen to some light music while studying. However you work, it is important to be honest regarding which sort of worker you are. You might want to listen to some tunes while you are writing an essay quickly, but if you know deep down there that it works better without music, just turn it off. You might not be a fan of classical music, but listening to some Mozart can get you in the zone. Mozart can truly improve your mental performance, so much as the scientists call it as the Mozart effect. Or sometimes you may feel that music with a strong beat will help you stay alert and motivate while working.
The mystery of human existence lies not in just staying alive, but in finding something to live for. I'm here with the next step, that's to set achievable work goals. Setting up goals is the perfect way to motivate yourself. So focus on goals which is smart, relevant, attainable and time bound.
If there's a little job you need to do that's likely to take less than 2 or 3 minutes to complete, like sending a text, putting a wash on, or paying your rent, do it straight away.
Feeling inspired is the key to unlock your motivation. The next point, how to make your time being more productive is stop doing multitasking. Even if your task may be simple and easier, stop doing multitasking. Set some goals, take some breaks, do the task in the time in which you are alert and implement a 2-minute rule. The best time for making your time being more productive is from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. That's the crunch time.